Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be learning how to distribute the ball to our players efficiently and effectively. So let's jump right into it.
Okay guys, so what we're going to be going through here, this is what we call just a low pass basically. So what we want to do is just get our torso low and simply just want to roll the ball. This is a great way to just do a short pass to your player, get the ball out in play and get the game going. Okay, so now we're going to get into the low throw technique. Right here, guys, we want to make sure that we're getting really low towards the ground, especially our throwing arm, because we don't want it to be up chest high. We want it to be throwing to their feet. So yeah, guys, just keep that one in mind. This one here is called the high throw. So what we want to be doing here is basically throwing the ball without an overhand motion. This technique here that I'm demonstrating now is a great way to get the ball out effectively for a quick counter attack. So when your teammates are running down the pitch, you know, just overhand throw over the defenders and you can get a quick counter attack in. Now the next one here is the underthrow technique. This is also good for the counter attacks.
And finally guys, we have the traditional goalkeeper throw. It's very simple. If you're familiar with outdoor keeping, this throw will be very familiar. So guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget guys, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Futsal Goalkeeping. That's my ebook that I wrote. Link in the description below. Make sure you guys support the channel and that. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Peace.
The other side where the wind ain't fucking blowing. Right.